की स्तुति करो। मेरी आत्मा प्रभु को धन्य कहो और उसका एक भी वरदान कभी नहीं भुलाओ।
धन्यवाद सर्वदा, धन्यवाद सर्वदा, पूरे तन मन तेरे लिए। धन्यवाद सर्वदा, धन्यवाद सर्वदा, ये सदा। धन्यवाद सर्वदा, धन्यवाद सर्वदा, पूरे तन मन तेरे लिए। धन्यवाद सर्वदा, धन्यवाद सर्वदा, तेरी स्तुति तेरे दिल से गाएंगे सदा।
Grateful to God for having blessed this school, the students of the past, present students, and all other staff of the school. And I'm very, very grateful to many people other than God. I would like to place on record my gratitude to Father Anto. Some of you will know. Father E.C. Michael, who passed away, died 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago. Father P.F. Vincent, Father Thomas, Father Santi. We worked together here. And there were two other sisters, Sister Cincy and Sister Neela. And we had so many teachers with whom I started this journey of education here in the school, and they are still with us. I don't want to say everybody by name, but dear teachers, this course of education was not easy. You know, very often I used to lose my temper. I used to be also telling you things. But in this journey, or this journey would not have been successful, or I would not be standing here with a heart full of gratitude and joy if you were not there by my side. So take it from me that whatever we communicated, whatever we did it together, not I alone. There is no Father Manoj alone. There is Don Bosco School Principal and the teaching staff and the others. My gratitude to each one of you. Father Reggie, the new principal and rector, we were associated from 2006, 4, 5, 6, 7 onwards. So many years of friendship we had. We know each other well. So on this day, as I step down from this post, I am grateful to Father Reggie for all his friendship, his suggestions, his support. And I would like to wish him all the very best in this school. Because this school is a family. We have worked hard to make it into a family. Children are very beautiful. I don't think I will ever get another school with children like you. And I wish all the best to the new vice principal who is going to join, and also Father Michael. Father Michael is a silent person, silent worker. He does a lot of things. My gratitude also to the two sisters with whom I collaborated very closely, Sister Neelam and Sister Cincy. Teachers, once again, thank you. And you children, you were like my children. I told you from the beginning that there will be no other school like Don Bosco School, Galancha. When you came to the school, some for 5 years, some for 4 years, some for so many years, you became our children. And therefore, I used to tell the teachers and I used to tell the fathers, the persons who give me immense joy were you children. To see you growing up, to see you going from one class to the other, to see you finishing your studies, writing your metric, getting good results and moving out of this place. That is joyful. I wish you all the best for your future life. Keep in mind, a school without discipline, a school without students having aim in life will not be a happy place. So whatever you have learnt in the past, please put into practice. Work every day. I should be able to hear from far away that you all are still doing very, very well. And I know you will do. Because in Don Bosco School, Galancha, maybe you are one of the best Don Bosco schools in East Arunachal, without any exaggeration. I will not prolong.
Every time I'm feeling down, you pick me up. Sing, oh, oh. And when my heart is feeling empty out, you fill my cup. Oh, oh. I just want to say thank you for the way you love me. I want to say thank you for the way you love me. I just want to say thank you for the way you love me. I want to say thank you, just want to say thank you. Yeah, 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 I owe you thank you. Yeah, yeah, I owe you thank you. Here we go, verse 2. I'm grateful for the way you've been a friend to me. Sing, oh, oh. And even in the deepest, darkest night, you help me see. Sing, oh, oh. I just want to say thank you for the way you love me. I want to say thank you for the way you love me. I just want to say thank you for the way you love me. I want to say thank you, just want to say thank you. Yeah, 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 I owe you 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 thank you.
Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories. All the memories bring back memories.